This video will demonstrate the recommended process of cleaning and sanitizing the Ultra 2HP with liquid autofill system. Fill a bucket with 4 gallons of water at 120 degrees. Measure 4 ounces of liquid detergent and add to water. Measure 2 ounces of bleach and add to the water, then stir the mixture evenly. Ensure the auger refill is turned off. Empty all products from the hoppers. Pour 1 gallon of warm water into each hopper to rinse the remaining product and then drain the hoppers. Disconnect the concentrate line from the bag-in-box. Install the adapter to the quick disconnect so that the line is open to the cleaning solution. You can use a connector from a discarded bag-in-box. Place the connector in the bottom of the solution. Select auger refill on for each hopper that is being cleaned. Allow hoppers to fill unit as solutions reaches the fill probe. If a fault occurs, press the Ultra button to clear and continue filling. Repeat this process until the product line runs clear. Select auger off to stop the auger, then drain completely. Place connector into rinse water. Select auger refill on. And to run until products start flowing into the hoppers. Run until hoppers area about a quarter full. Turn off refill system and drain hoppers. Refer to the recommended cleaning instructions to clean the hopper, lids, and other dispense parts. Fill a bucket with 4 gallons of 120-degree water and sanitizing solution to equal 100 parts per million of available chlorine. Note: some installation may require more sanitizer solution to fill the supply lines completely. Select auger on and set the cooling mode to off. Pour 1 gallon of warm water to rinse the remaining product, and then drain hoppers. Disconnect the concentrate line from bag-in-box. Note: you can use an old bag connector to keep open the valve during this process. Place the connector in the bottom of the sanitizer solution. Select auger refill on for each hopper being sanitized. Allow hoppers to fill until system reaches the fill probe. If a fault occurs, press Ultra button to clear and continue filling. Repeat this process until the product line runs clear. Once full, allow sanitizer to sit in the hoppers for 10 minutes. Select auger off for each hopper being sanitized. Remove the bib connectors from the sanitizer and reconnect the product bag and box. Select auger refill on for each hopper being sanitized and allow to run until product starts flowing into the hoppers. Select auger off for each hopper being sanitized and drain hoppers. The dispenser is now ready to be turned on and filled for use.